Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have two boxes of 2008-2009 Upper Deck Black Hockey, brought to you by Blowout Cards, blowoutcards.com. I am Mr. Snyder. Welcome to the break. I apologize for the frogginess. It's that time of year when my children make me sick. Not my own kids, other people's kids in the school setting. So here we go. We've got our two boxes here, just delivered fresh today from Chris. Inside, if you've never seen these before, are the 2 packs of cards. Open the left side first. Inside each pack are 2 cards. Hopefully we'll find a redemption for a Stamkos or somebody pretty good. For a rookie. If not, maybe we'll find a dual cut tonight. Who knows? And here we go. And of course, thanks to Upper Deck for making me just keep ripping into here. So we have an Alex Foster Letterman patch S, number to 399, not autographed. And we have a Matt Sundin quad jersey, number 11 of 15. We've got 2 white pieces and 2 blue pieces from the Maple Leafs. So if you're a Maple Leaf fan, this pack's for you. If you're not a Maple Leaf fan, well, we'll try pack number 2 and see what comes out of this thing. You know, for as hard as I make these things get into, you think there was something super special inside here. This is how half the cards get damaged because we can't get inside the stupid packs. Alright, here we go, folks. Oh, I see 3. 2 of them are Capitals. I'm hoping I get my boys. Oh, here's what we asked for. We have our redemption for our rookie patch. It is a wild card, number 111. So I'm not sure who that is in the new Beckett, but we'll have to look and find out. And then the other card is a triple jersey, Dino Ciccarelli, red piece, Rod Lange, blue piece from the Capitals, and Adam Oates, and our yellow piece from the Capitals. So there we go, a nice triple piece, number 43 of 50. So that first box was not very exciting. And the rookie redemption. Maybe my news Beckett of Beckett hockey will tell me who that is. Okay, so last time we started with the left pack, so this time we'll start with the right pack. I'm just going to get the screwdriver and get it over with. Oh, this is a pain in my butt. There we go. I see a triple lightning. Ooh, and a redemption. Oh, I'm hoping that's good. Start the lightning. Have a nice triple jersey of LeCavalier, Jokinen, and Martin St. Louis. Number 6 of 50. All are lightning pieces. And now for the redemption. We all know how Upper Deck redemptions work. It is for, if you can't read it, a rookie Letterman auto patch of Tom Cavanaugh, number 399. So I haven't heard of him. I'm just hoping he's pretty good. And here comes our left in the box, our left pack. we've had 2 autographed Lettermans, which is good. 1 regular Letterman, a couple multi-pieces. I see another dual. Oh, no, here we go. Here's another rookie redemption Letterman patch, number 103. And if you look up number 103 in our handy dandy bi-monthly Beckett magazine, it tells us that number 103 is indeed Mr. Steven Stamkos. So we got what we're looking for. Number 111 is a comment that does not book, so I have no idea who that person is. So here we go, Lightning fan. And then what we've got here, we have a Luke Robitaille and a Robert Blake quad jersey, number 18 of 50, both from the Kings. So again, brought to you by blowoutcards.com.